Hi everybody, Bob with Knives Town here. If you're into special, collectible, custom type, limited edition type knives, you're going to like this one. What we're looking at today is a knife from the Buck Knives limited edition series. There we are, limited edition. It comes in a box like this, with this as well. I didn't put that on for show. This particular model is the Wild Bill Cody Bear Claw, and it's based on the Buck 110 model. It comes with a distressed leather sheath, comes wrapped in the protection. It comes with a certificate of authenticity, numbered, as well as some literature. The famous Buck Forever warranty. Basically, they'll replace it for a lifetime for any reason besides abuse and that kind of thing. Some interesting material about the use of natural materials, horn, and the way that each knife can have a little bit of a different look to it, and what some may say are flaws or think are flaws or not. It's just the natural characteristics of the material. The knife is a looker. Let's take a close-up look on this. Like I say, it's built on the Buck 110 frame. Yeah, look at that. Okay, opening it up, it opens with a nail nick, locks into place. Technical specs here, that is a blade of 3 5/8 inch. It is 420 high carbon steel, hollow ground, and mirror polished. Look at that. This limited edition knife is mirror polished ultra high, even more than normal. The overall length is 8.5 inches. It is a lock back knife, like the 110 is, and the weight is 6.4 ounces. The handle scales are made of elk antler and buffalo horn. Elk and buffalo horn, and then there is a inlay on this side here, a bear claw inlay, which also is made of elk antler. Let's get it's just, the video just can't do justice to it, but I'll try to get a close-up of it for you so you can see what we're looking at. You can see that. Polished nickel silver bolsters. There's your buffalo horn there. And there's the elk antler there with the bear claw inlay. They matched it nicely. The scales are nicely matched. You can see that file work there on the spine of the blade and on the back spring there. That's hand done. Now take a look at this. Take a look at that. That is a bear cutout in the blade, and that, if you can see it, I hope I can show it, that is plated with 24 karat gold. 24 karat gold plated on both sides. You can see the file work all the way back here. It's the 110 clip point blade, but with this additional work done to it. And that file work goes down there as well. What a wonderful knife this is. And what a great knife to build a collectible from, the famous Buck 110. You know, I mean, can there be a more classic design than this? Now, this is part of Buck's limited edition series, and they come out with these. There's a number of different types of runs they do, but they only do very small runs. For example, this one is 250 pieces only. Now, this particular knife is number 233 of 250. You can see that. I think I can get that for you. I don't know if you can see that or not. Now that says 233 of 250 right there. And then Buck Custom on that side from the custom shop. And I don't know if you can see the gold a little bit better there. Like I say, the video doesn't do it justice. This is a knife that you have to see. But it's oh, it feels good. It's got you know, just a great feel to it. It's got good heft. You know, obviously it's not gonna be a using knife. This is a collectible knife. It's one that you're gonna buy and you're gonna collect. And yeah, I mean, sure, it'll appreciate in value, but you know, I doubt it's primarily an investment. It is primarily just a collector's knife, you know, for someone that just appreciates collecting knives, and particularly the Buck 110 model, the one of the most famous knives of all time. It comes, like I said, with a certificate of authenticity, and this says here, this Wild Bill Cody Custom Model 110 is one of a limited edition production of only 250 knives. This handcrafted knife is a serialized custom file work, mirror polished 420 high carbon steel blade with a 24 karat gold plated bear head cutout. The handle, finely crafted of elk and buffalo horn, is complemented with nickel silver bolsters. Your custom knife is defined by a hand detailed bear claw inlay, also made from elk antler. Also included with your knife is a black distressed leather sheath. Well, actually it's brown in this case. But this is the certificate you get with the knife, and it'll number your knife. Like I say, this particular one is 233, and it's signed by Chuck Buck and CJ Buck. So, as for the sheath, it is has the Buck logo there. It is just one position only. Snap. The sheath it's nice. It's a real nice sheath. You know, as for keeping the knife or storing the knife, I wouldn't store the knife in the sheath just for moisture purposes. You know, I mean, I would. It's good to carry the knife if you're going to carry it or use it. I wouldn't store it in there though. The sheath is a nice distressed leather, as you can see. Well stitched, well made. The knife is handmade in the USA. That is one special knife. Really sweet. That's the Wild Bill Cody 110 Bear Claw Custom. All right, well, thanks for watching. I'll see you again.